In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to delete downloaded superstar in WWE 2K25. So currently there are two ways to delete any downloaded superstar. First method is really easy. For that, go to the creations tab and here go to superstar, and then we need to wait for a moment, and now we need to use these keys to filter it to custom superstar. And you can see I currently downloaded these three superstars and I want to delete one of them. So suppose if I want to delete this one, then I need to select him, and then we'll be able to see bunch of options. From here we need to choose delete superstar, and then it will give you this attentions warning. We need to accept it, and there you go, I have successfully deleted my downloaded superstar. So this was the first method. In case you want to delete bunch of superstars at once, then we need to go back from here. For the second method, we need to go to the options tab and here go to extras, and now go to deletion utility. And from here we need to go to custom superstars, and you can see I currently have these two superstars. If you want to delete multiple superstars at once, then just select the first superstar and now select the another one, and then you will be able to see this button option on the bottom of the screen. Just press that button and then you will be able to see this warning again. Just accept the attention warning, and then both of your superstars will be deleted from your game. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.